You searched how to buy shares of China Resources Mixc Lifestyle Services Limited, a company providing retail and lifestyle property services listed on the HKEX under ticker 1209. HK. This quick walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker 1209 HK to locate the exact listing. Confirm the company name and market so you select the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart. Make sure the listing details and the ticker match 1209 HK to confirm it is the right security. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade is processed, your position will appear in the portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.